Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is going to be Abu Dhabi vlog. I'm here for my husband's birthday vacation and today is our day 1 in UAE. We'll be visiting Warner Bros World in Yas Island. So if you're interested, keep watching. I'll be sharing a lot of details about this theme parks that are there in Yas Island. We didn't buy the tickets online. Online Klook पे it would have been cheaper, around 1000 rupees per person save कर सकते थे, but it's okay. It was our first day, so that is why we booked the ticket offline.
This is where you end up now.
You guys know from the last vlog that our flight was very early in the morning, so obviously when we landed, we checked in, took rest. I mean rest as in we took a nap, power nap, and then we started our day. So by that time it was already 2:30 in the afternoon. If we would have started by 10 or 11, we could have enjoyed or maybe covered more things. We enjoyed a lot, but we would have covered more things. And yeah, as soon as we entered, we started this with this show or performance of Justice League character. It was nice, it was very cute. So there are different performances of different cartoon characters, Tom and Jerry, Baby Looney Tunes, and I think the show timings are also there, but we couldn't find where the show timings were mentioned. Anyway, after the performance, you can stand in queue, wait for your turn to click pictures with these characters. I also waited for some time and then realized no, it's not for me, because I already have less time left in the day to cover this amazing park. Look how colorful and beautiful is this. I think मेरे opinion में this is better than Universal Studios. Universal Studios में wallet, keys ये सब locker में रखना पड़ता था and that was chargeable. यहाँ पे ऐसा कुछ नहीं था, सामने में you can just keep your stuff and go for your ride. Having said that, it was way costlier than Universal Studios. I think we paid about 19k for 2 people. However, I didn't do my research very well. इतने में 2 थीम पार्क का पास आ जाता है for 1 or 2 days. I'm not sure.
राइड्स हमने शॉर्टलिस्ट कर लिया, हमें कौन कौन सी करनी है. एंड व्हाट आई हैव नोटिस हियर, क्योंकि ये बच्चों के लिए मोस्टली आई गेस, तो यहाँ पर ना कमर्शियल शॉप्स बहुत सारे हैं, है ना. टॉयज़ के शॉप्स, सुवेनियर शॉप्स, लॉट्स ऑफ रेस्टोरेंट, फ्रेंच फ्राइज, बर्गर, you name it, they have it. And lots of toys and shops. Just look at it. So many. It's the cutest. It's cuter than Universal. Actually, Universal cater to younger people. I mean, young people. It is so freaking cute. All the childish cartoons like Flintstones, Jetsons, Tom and Jerry, Fast and Furious. We're gonna do this one. This is a slightly water ride, which is very easy. This is a Flintstone themed restaurant. Very cute. We went inside. We got this popcorn also. Show me. Yum popcorns. Basic. We have shortlisted few of the rides that we want to do. We're gonna do all that. So on to our first ride. We chose Warner Bros because we love colorful stuff. We love DC Comics, Avengers, Marvels. तो इसलिए we didn't go to Ferrari World. First Ferrari World, I think it's a mixture of outdoor and indoor theme park. तो और यहाँ बहुत गर्मी है, so we chose to be here. I got very happy with our decision. Tickets price are almost same for all the parks, and it's costlier, I think so, compared to other theme parks, but it's worth it.
Middle lane. Hello. Wait.
Second ride because we came back from our first ride, so technically this is two of us. There were only 2 of us, so this one please.
Yep.
They made us sit on the front, and I think it's gonna be amazing. But it's gonna be good. Don't be scared, it's gonna be nice. पानी आ रहा है मेरे पैंट पे.
Welcome to the metro.
Oh my god, this is going to be amazing.
Hello.
Bye bye. देख लो फिर से. एक पोज कर दो. फोटो ले रही हूँ.
Oh, Wilma, it's darling. I can't wait to show it off at the Stonehenge celebration.
I think now I should put it like this.
Hold it, hold it, hold it.
ऐसे नीचे.
Hold it.
We are a little
Wet.
bit slightly wet.
We are
Drenched.
wet.
The ride is done and we are back to Pavilion. On to the next ride.
Please remain seated at all times. Thank you.
الحفاظ على وضعية الجلوس في جميع الأوقات. شكرا.
I loved watching this cartoon as a kid. Stepsons.
I begin to.
Another ride based on Scooby-Doo.
It's so special. All I feel is when I'm with you. You got me doing things I never thought I'd do. Just so you know, ain't never let you break your mind. Oh, just so you know, yeah, I'm not for sure. You're mine for sure.
He wanted the museum's treasure all for himself. So he might fake the exhibits being haunted. Using these props to try and scare everyone away and shut down the museum.
And I would have gotten away with it too if it weren't for you meddling kids.
I begin to. I begin to.
Now we are on to our fifth or sixth ride.
It's so special. All I feel is when I'm with you. You got me doing things I never thought I'd do. Just so you know, ain't never let you oh, just so you know, yeah, I'm not for sure. You're mine for sure. sure.
This is not real sky.
Make it bigger instead of big. Chicken.
I don't know, but I feel like that we are eating a lot. एंड खाने के अच्छे ऑप्शन यहाँ मिल रहे हैं, वेजिटेरियन हो या कुछ भी हो, सब कुछ में वेज ऑप्शन मिल रहे हैं, तो इट्स गुड, एक्चुअली इट्स वेरी गुड. एंड इस वजह से हम खा बहुत रहे हैं. सुबह भी वी ओवर ऑर्डर. हाँ, वी एट इन द प्लेन, वी एट एट द एयरपोर्ट, वी एट एट होम ऑल्सो एंड देन लेफ्ट फॉर द एयरपोर्ट. सो 2 एक्स्ट्रा मील पे हम चल रहे हैं. सुबह ऑल्सो वी ऑर्डर अ लॉट बिकॉज द पोर्शन साइज इज अ लॉट हियर, वी डिडंट नो दैट. सो या, waiting for his food. You disagree every time with me. So far we have done 7 rides and we want to do 1 or 2 more and then we'll leave for the Yas Mall, Yas Beach and those things.
The treaty and the grandmother.
स्नो ग्लोब का सपना. 80 dirhams. We came to the Yas Mall because AC चाहिए हमको. एंड यास बीच सीम्स बहुत दूर है, वहाँ तो नहीं जा रहे. फेरारी वर्ल्ड सोचा था बाहर से देख कर आएंगे बट वो भी हो पाएगा. So we are booking the cab now back to our hotel. We wanted to see Ferrari World from outside. Actually हिमांशु के लिए मुझे फील हो रहा था, मुझे तो कुछ खास इंटरेस्ट है नहीं इसमें. But it seems it is closed from outside. मतलब ऐसा भी है कि बाहर से भी जाके फ़ोटोज़ नहीं क्लिक कर सकते हो. So we have decided कि anyway we are tired, so we'll just go home and hotel and rest. That's about our day 1 in Abu Dhabi. Good morning guys. It is the next day, next morning. And we're still in Abu Dhabi. The breakfast is somehow, I don't know why it is not included in our stay, because we specifically choose with breakfast for our hotels. But ठीक है, ये अभी 1-2 दिन पहले बुकिंग हुआ था तो शायद मिस हो गया हमसे. We are not sure. We're gonna still have the breakfast buffet because we love it, and especially Himanshu का बहुत मन है, तो he said कि नहीं जाके खा लेते हैं. Because we had a la carte में yesterday and it was damn costly. Like the breakfast was कि जितना हम होटल के लिए पे किए उससे भी ज़्यादा था breakfast का प्राइस जो अला कार्टे में हमने लिया. And we didn't like it also उतना, थोड़ा सा actually एक item like I said it yesterday. But otherwise I think I would want to say that Dubai is costly. We knew कि महंगा तो है ही दुबई, बट दुबई, अबू धाबी सब UAE महंगा है. बट हाँ, इतना होगा. ब्रेकफास्ट में हम लोग थोड़ा मतलब फूड में हम लोग माइंडफुल हो ही नहीं रहे. सीधे जो मैंने वो ऑर्डर कर रहे हैं, तो वो बर्थडे वाइब चल रही है थोड़ी. बट विल बी बैक ऑन ट्रैक मे बी फ्रॉम टुडे और टुमारो, विल सी. बिस्कॉप के बिस्किट मैंने ऐसे कभी भी नहीं. We came to the supermarket because veg option बिल्कुल नहीं था खाने का, तो we are looking for options here and exploring the supermarket. This is my OOTD. I'm all ready. ये स्कर्ट अगेन फ्रॉम 3-4 years ago टैग ही आगे निकाला है. ये टॉप तो बहुत पुराना है. आई एक्चुअली हैव अ रेड क्रॉप टॉप, बट आई थिंक कुछ ज़्यादा ही लाल मिर्ची लगूंगी, तो आई केप्ट इट कैजुअल विद दिस silver drop earrings. And Himanshu is taking his bath, bubble bathtub में. And we are gonna leave for Dubai in next half an hour, 1 hour. Cab already booked है हमारी. And yeah, अभी मुझे लग रहा था घर पे कि मेरे पास कपड़े नहीं, मैंने पैक नहीं किया, एंड नाउ आई एम फीलिंग कि आई हैव ओवर पैक्ड.
It's so special. All I feels when I'm with you. You got me doing things I never thought I'd do. Just so you know, ain't never let you go. You're mine, oh, just so you know, you're mine for sure. Yeah. You're mine for sure. Yeah. Ooh, you're mine for sure.